Find the oldest scar on your body. Touch it. That mark will outlive almost every cell you own. The skin around it has been replaced many times, but the scar stays. It never fully heals. Your body didn't repair that wound. It patched it, and the patch is permanent. Why would a body that rebuilds itself constantly leave a flaw it can never erase? To understand the scar, you have to understand normal skin. Healthy skin is woven. Collagen fibers cross in every direction, like a basket. That weave is what makes skin flexible and strong. It stretches, it bends, it holds. It took your body years to build it. Now a wound tears through it, the weave is broken, and your body faces a choice. Rebuild the basket slowly or seal the gap fast. It chooses speed every time. Speed is survival. An open wound is an open door. Bacteria pour in, blood pours out. In the ancient world, a slow-healing cut could kill you, so evolution made a trade. Close the hole now. Worry about quality later. The repair crew arrives within minutes. Platelets plug the leak. Then cells called fibroblasts flood the site. They lay down collagen, but they lay it down fast. And they lay it in straight, parallel lines. Not a woven basket, a bundle of ropes all facing one way. That is scar tissue. Same protein, wrong pattern. This is why a scar looks different. It's shinier, it's tighter. It can't stretch the way real skin does. Those parallel fibers are strong in one direction and weak in every other. A scar reaches only about 80% of your skin's original strength. It never gets the rest back, and it's missing things. Look closely at a scar. No hair grows there. No sweat comes out of it. There are no oil glands underneath. When fibroblasts rush to seal a wound, they don't rebuild those structures. Hair follicles, sweat glands, sensory nerves. They are complex. They take time your body decided it couldn't spare, so the scar is a shortcut made flesh. A region of skin that is alive but incomplete. Have you ever wondered why some scars fade and others never do? It comes down to how deep the wound went. A shallow scrape only damages the top layer. That layer regenerates cleanly. No scar. But once a cut reaches the deeper layer, the dermis, the woven structure, is destroyed. And the dermis cannot regrow its original weave. It can only be patched. Here is the strangest part. It wasn't always this way. You once had the power to heal perfectly. You just used it before you were born. In the 1970s and 1980s, researchers noticed something impossible. Wounds made in the womb healed without a trace. Surgeons operating on unborn animals found the incisions vanished completely. No scar, no mark, perfect skin. Two scientists led this work, Michael Longacre at Stanford and Mark Ferguson in Manchester. They found that early fetal skin doesn't scar at all. It regenerates, real weave, real follicles, as if the wound had never happened. What changes? The answer is a chemical signal, a molecule called TGF-beta. Fetal skin is rich in one form of it that guides gentle, perfect regeneration. But around the third trimester, your body switches to a different form, one that screams, seal it, fast. From that moment on, you scar for life. So the machine to heal perfectly exists. It's written in you. It was simply switched off before your first breath. Why would evolution turn off perfection? Because outside the womb, the rules change. In the sterile fluid of the womb, there is no infection. A wound can take its time, but in the open world, speed beats beauty. A fast, ugly scar that keeps bacteria out will always outlive a slow, perfect one that lets them in. Your scars are proof that you survived a world that punished delay. Scientists now chase that fetal switch. If they can restart it, burns could heal without scarring. Surgery could leave no trace. Some early trials targeting TGF-beta have already reduced scarring in adults. The off switch may not be permanent after all. But for now, every scar you carry is telling a true story. It says, here your body was torn, and here it chose to live rather than to heal perfectly. That shiny patch on your knee is not damage, it is a decision. A record of the exact moment your body picked survival over beauty. Run your finger over that oldest scar again. It is the one part of you that refuses to forget. Long after the memory of the wound is gone, the skin still holds the shape of it. You don't carry scars because your body failed. You carry them because it chose you.